In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Alight Motion on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open the link provided in the video description or pinned comment. This will take you to the BlueStacks website. Since Alight Motion is a mobile app, we'll use BlueStacks to run it on a computer. Click the Download BlueStacks button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open your File Explorer, locate the installer file, and double-click it to launch the setup. Click Install Now and allow BlueStacks to download and install the required files. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After BlueStacks opens, use the search bar at the top right corner and type Alight Motion. Select Alight Motion from the search results and click Install from Google Play. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store. After signing in, click Install and wait for the app to finish downloading. Once installation is complete, click Open. You can also return to the BlueStacks home screen and launch Alight Motion from there. When Alight Motion opens, tap Get Started. If a subscription or trial pop-up appears, you can close it and continue using the free version. Now click the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project and start editing videos, animations, and motion graphics on your PC. That's it. You've successfully installed and set up Alight Motion on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.